Beauty starts from within. It's about embracing your unique features and caring for your body with love. True beauty glows, radiating outward from healthy skin and vibrant hair. Let's embark on a journey to discover the power of natural ingredients, unlocking your most radiant self. We'll explore simple, effective ways to nourish your skin and hair naturally. Forget harsh chemicals and expensive products. Nature provides everything we need for a holistic approach to beauty. Get ready to glow from the inside out. This is about more than just appearances. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. Let's rediscover the joy of natural beauty together. Many conventional beauty products are packed with chemicals. These chemicals might offer temporary results but can harm your skin and hair in the long run. They can disrupt your skin's natural balance, leading to dryness, irritation, and even premature aging. Harsh sulfates in shampoos can strip away natural oils, leaving your hair dry and brittle. Parabens, found in many skincare products, are preservatives linked to various health concerns. Switching to natural alternatives can seem daunting, but the benefits far outweigh any perceived inconvenience. Natural ingredients are gentler on your skin and hair. They work in harmony with your body's natural processes instead of disrupting them. Embracing natural beauty is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Nature provides a treasure trove of ingredients that can transform your beauty routine. Honey, a natural humectant, draws moisture to the skin, keeping it hydrated and supple. Its antibacterial properties help soothe inflammation and fight acne. Coconut oil, rich in fatty acids, deeply moisturizes the skin and hair. It can be used as a gentle makeup remover, a nourishing hair mask, or even a soothing lip balm. Aloe vera, known for its cooling properties, calms irritated skin, reduces redness, and promotes healing. These readily available ingredients offer a plethora of benefits without the harsh side effects of chemical-laden products. Incorporating them into your routine is easy and cost-effective, making natural beauty accessible to everyone. Crafting your natural beauty ritual. Start by simplifying your routine. You don't need a dozen different products. Begin with a gentle cleanser, followed by a toner like rose water to balance your skin's pH. Exfoliate twice a week with a gentle scrub made from sugar and honey to remove dead skin cells. Moisturize daily with coconut oil or a natural oil-based moisturizer suited for your skin type. Protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays with a natural sunscreen containing zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. Remember, consistency is key. For your hair, replace your shampoo with a natural alternative like a baking soda rinse followed by an apple cider vinegar rinse as a conditioner. Treat your hair to a weekly deep conditioning mask using coconut oil or olive oil. DIY delights. Recipes for radiant skin and hair. Let's whip up some easy DIY beauty recipes using ingredients straight from your pantry. For a hydrating and brightening face mask, combine 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of yogurt and a squeeze of lemon juice. Apply it to clean skin, leave it on for 15 minutes, and rinse off with lukewarm water. For a deeply nourishing hair treatment, warm up 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and massage it into your scalp and hair. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on for at least 30 minutes, preferably overnight. Wash your hair with a natural shampoo and enjoy soft, manageable locks. These simple recipes prove that you don't need expensive products to pamper yourself. Natural ingredients are just as effective, if not more so, and they're readily available and gentle on your skin and hair. Unleash your inner and outer glow. Natural beauty is about more than just appearances. It's about feeling confident, radiant, and comfortable in your skin. It's about listening to your body, nourishing it with nature's goodness, and embracing your unique beauty. Remember, true beauty shines from within. When you feel good, you look good. So embrace natural ingredients, indulge in self-care rituals, and let your inner light shine through. Start your natural beauty journey today and unlock the radiant, confident you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite natural beauty tips in the comments.